Hello everyone, welcome to our 30 days Python learning series. Day 6 Loops Introduction. What are loops? A loop is used to repeat a task again and again automatically. Loops in Python, while loop. A while loop is used to repeat a block of code again and again as long as a condition is true. Let's declare a variable and apply while loop. We will print the value to see the output. For loop. For loop is used to repeat a block of code defined times. Basic syntax: for, variable in range number. Print the value you want. We will print a number from 1 to 5. Let's see the code snippet. Hope you understand the concept of loop in Python. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning Python with me. If this video helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.